How can experts scale their business without more hours? Are you an expert stuck trading time for money? It's a common trap for all of us. To truly scale, you need to productize your knowledge. Think of an assessment. It packages your unique insights into a diagnostic tool. This means your brilliance can help hundreds, even thousands, simultaneously without you burning out. It's like having a virtual yourself working 24/7. You're selling solutions, not just your time. That's how you get leverage. What is a productized assessment for experts? Okay, so what exactly is a productized assessment? It's not just a basic quiz. For experts, it's a powerful diagnostic tool that applies your unique methodology to a user's specific situation. It uncovers the gaps, opportunities, and paths forward, all based on your expertise. Think of it as a virtual, automated consultation you meticulously crafted. Users get a personalized roadmap without you being physically present. It's your knowledge amplified many times over. How do I build an assessment to attract ideal clients? Want an assessment that practically sells itself? Here's the secret. Start with clarity. Define your niche and the exact problem you solve. Then, map your core expertise into 3 to 5 categories. Craft specific, unambiguous questions for each. Assign scores that lead to meaningful profiles like beginner or advanced. Most importantly, provide personalized, actionable feedback. This makes users feel understood and shows you have the answers, attracting exactly who you want. Should I charge for my expert assessment? Great question. Generally, your expert assessment works best as a free lead magnet. Why? Because it attracts and pre-qualifies potential clients, generating interest without a barrier to entry. They give you the name and email, you give them valuable insights. However, you can charge for more in-depth premium assessments that offer extensive, highly personalized reports or direct access to your insights. For starters, keep it free to build your audience and prove value. Then you can always introduce a paid tier. How does an assessment build trust and authority for experts? An expertly designed assessment is a trust-building powerhouse. By guiding users through thoughtful questions, you're implicitly teaching them about their situation through their unique lens. It's like an instant mini consultation. Users gain immediate value, seeing their problems reflected and solutions offered. This positions you as the definitive expert who truly understands the challenges and knows the way forward. You become a problem solver, not just a vendor, before they even pay you a dime. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.